Kia ora. Yeah, kia ora means hi or hello or welcome. So welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing about why you should pick dairy farming as a career. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Just want to say a shout out to GB Gabriel Tagarda, the best basketball player in Southland. Also shout out to all the Filipino dairy farm owners, share milkers, and contract milkers. You make us proud. Respect to all of you. Proud to be Pinoy. Keep up the good work, guys. There. I'm washing the dishes. I hope you don't mind. So the first on my list is salary. That includes your remuneration, your benefits, and package, the whole package. So the salary is very attractive and very competitive. If you are a wise person, you can either save a lot of money or invest on something and earn more. But if you are a spend now and worry later person, you can buy the things you want and you can go to places you want to be. That's how significant the salary is. And packages, it will include the accommodation, the meat supply, like free meat. We call it a beast. So that's one cow. You will throw up just eating meat every day. I assure you that. So, holidays. You can have paid holiday for a maximum of 24 days after a year of working, just like from calving up to dry off. So that's one season. So it also depends on your roster or schedule. So they compute it. It depends on your schedule, but you will get a maximum of 24 days paid days off, paid holidays. Bonus depends on your performance and target, but mostly it depends on the boss. If your boss is kind, they usually give bonus and some perks like firewood. Yeah, just like my boss is kind. He always assured that I am warm during winter. So all the firewood is free. House. Your house is within the farm and you are far away from your neighbors. You can do all the noise you want. I can even play drums as loud as I want. It's so peaceful and quiet. An ideal place to raise a family. Family. Yup, you can bring your family here in New Zealand. And you will just ask help from your boss to sort out some papers for your family. And not to mention that the education here is free in the equivalent until high school. So I think until grade 14 here, it is free. And because a dairy farm is isolated and far away from the city, during this pandemic, this is the place you'd rather be. A perfect place. Because you don't deal with the people, you just deal with animals. Your safe haven. job security and stability, because agriculture is the backbone of New Zealand, and dairy industry plays a big part of it. Your job is secure and stable. And because dairy farming involves a lot of physical activities, you will stay fit and healthy. And if you want more, you can do some outdoor activities on the outskirts of the farm. Like in our farm, there is a river, there is a bike trail, so I do biking, fishing, running, duck shooting, name it. You can do all outdoors here. Fun times. And because most of your work is outside or outdoors, you get to enjoy nature, and you are not confined in a room or in a building like working in an office. This is your office. Also, you get to work with different ethnicity and different races from other countries and learn about their culture. We have Asians, Americans, Africans, Mexicans, Brazilians, name it, we all have it here in the dairy farm industry. And because farming involves a vast and a wide general farm works, you will discover and develop basic skills. The skills that you don't even realize you have. Like, you can be a tractor driver, you can be a doctor, you can be a plumber, you can be an electrician, you can be a welder. Name it, as long as you can do it. Because dairy farming requires a lot of problem solving. And do it yourself. Look, another thing is, if you are brave enough and if you are motivated enough, just like some of my friends have done here, you can own a farm, your own farm. Residency, you can apply as a resident and enjoy all their benefits, even all your beneficiaries or all your family, you can apply for them to be a resident here in New Zealand through the help of your bosses. And if you are qualified enough, you'll get the privilege to get this, the most powerful passport in the world, the New Zealand passport. So that's about it. If you like this video, just press the thumbs up. If you don't like this video, just press the thumbs down. And if you want to see more about my channel, just press subscribe. And if I miss something, and if you want to say something about this video, let me know in the comment section, and I try to reply. I'll appreciate it, and thanks for watching. See ya!